Welcome to Printer Repair with MRP, a ServIT company. In this video, we'll be replacing a Platen roller for a ZT411 printer. First, open the cover. Then lift the toggle bar. Remove any media. Press down here to release the Platen roller and remove the Platen roller from the machine. To replace the Platen roller, align the bar and press down on the mechanism to allow the Platen roller to slide back into place. Go ahead and put your media back into place. Pull down on the toggle bar. Then close the cover and the replacement is complete. Thank you for watching. Go ahead and check out our website and any of our social medias listed below. If you have any further questions, feel free to call our tech support line.